peeps. There again in the kitchen, you know. You don't know the Sunday vibes, you see me?
Happy Sunday.
Alright, we do. With Nique. Alright, you don't know the thing said. She said oxtail and and a gungo rice and peas today. A red rice.
A red peas.
A red peas. You know what I mean? So
let me tell them what they're gonna now. So we're gonna have oxtail. We're gonna have red peas and rice and peas. We're gonna have some side salad and some fried plantain and a little brownie cookie thing for dessert.
so nice. She's so nice Sunday. Sound decent though.
Don't break yourself with me.
My baby, yeah. So she's so decent though today.
I'm decent. That's how you got lip gloss. That's how you got on lip gloss.
Yeah.
Yeah, people saw.
No care.
Cut the fat and everything off of the oxtail. Cut as much as I could have cut off. I washed the oxtail already with some key lime. And now the oxtail drain off. I'm gonna season it and start on the rice because I want the season kind of soak a little bit. And then we.
Oh, I make ginger tea. Yeah, ginger. My head hurt me. So I saw me do my ginger tea, you know. Great at the ginger. You see me? Yeah.
Should you buy some pineapple? Can I make ginger and pineapple juice?
Oh yeah, for real. Look where you're left your back then. Yeah.
That's your chill. That's your chill. That's your job.
Left them at ground. Not easy, you know. You call like your mother.
No, that would be you.
Yeah?
Yes, I mean I was a cleaner.
Alone?
Most of the time.
Okay, I'm thinking they say alone. So baby,
yes?
You know I tell them what I cook for you yesterday?
Oh shit. Eva? My baby took me back to Jamaica yesterday. My baby make jerk chicken and festival. And me make the sauce. You know the ketchup barbecue sauce thing work up on the chicken. I don't know where it go. Yeah. Make that. It was so good. Sorry we never vlog it. But
Are you okay? Because I remember say you under pain and sitting.
yeah.
I just said, sure.
I might time.
I remember me a grilling outside me for there. So we never up and down,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So whenever that feel too good, I still not feel good, but I'm saying, oh, I'm loving it so much. I can't do none of this. And I can fight through it. So here I am. Where's that? Where around that?
Yes, yeah, you don't know the
No,
thing
it ain't no done no. I'm gonna find out what you said, so
I'm gonna edit this.
I don't care.
Like shit.
I can put the clips on my computer and see what you said.
Like shit. I'm me bother up say, yo, yeah, we have to do the few people I want to know. Hey, I remember, you know, like, share and subscribe to the channel.
Tell them that
I remember, you know, hear me I say, dancehall, Rashkamar Entertainment on YouTube. Forget the dancehall video them. I say, Rashkamar Entertainment vlog on YouTube for the before the dance, the party and after the party.
Before.
You understand me I say? And remember, go check them out, man. And subscribe, man. And like up the thing them around them.
Like he always says, do the right thing.
Do the right thing, man.
I don't know who said that, but they lie.
Yeah.
You supposed to me, I wash off the top of the can. I always do this.
And
Oxtail season.
well seasoned.
So watch the oxtail.
Yeah, go there. Pretty? Yeah.
We're gonna start the cooking kind of later.
Anyway, yes, baby.
Start the cooking kind of later. So I'm gonna use this. Start the
Oh, yeah, true. She started so late there. I gotta just use
Yeah, because nobody has to. I'm a freaking piece of work.
Yeah, I can't manage to go wait so long, you know. So don't judge.
I mean, I like too much peas. It give me heartburn.
Yeah. Don't judge. I just say go.
Don't judge. Our food tastes good. And look good too.
I know. So that's that.
They're not judging us. They love us.
I know, but we're not
you have some people out there who don't judge.
We're not talking about who love we, baby. We're talking about who we judge. And then we're talking who love we. And we love them. Yeah. And I watch her. I use canned peas. I use canned peas. I know people stay man. I know human beings stay man, so you don't know.
Human beings,
Business.
Alright. Coconut milk. I'll shot the cover.
Again. You see that? Yeah. Nothing from the shelf. Now go in a pot run here. Right, baby?
Right. I watched the whole damn can. Because sometimes they'll send something from the store. I don't want that in my food. So yeah, people, they're up on a nice Sunday. Not never going too much this weekend. We kind of stay home this weekend and chill. Last weekend made it sick out. This weekend we sick again. Crazy. I said it goes on.
I said it goes sometime, man. Sometimes coffee, sometimes tea, sometimes sosa boil.
Sometimes me.
Sometimes boiling water alone. You see me? But still happy. Yeah. And you don't know she not really talky, you know, because our energy, you know, low. So what to do? What to say? We just go and do things here. Right. We're all human.
Ooh.
Right? Yeah.
Right.
You never shake up it before you pull it, baby?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
It was just stuck.
Okay. I say stay all the while? Okay. Come on. So when I used to them thing that...
Why you have to wash off the can?
Yeah.
Cause it's a drink?
So when I use them thing that real coconut, I use grate on my thing and squeeze it, man.
They're in our kitchen here. Because they do real things.
Yeah, man.
Realness me deal with.
Get my own coconut. Yeah, I mean, I'm a grater.
You know so that mommy do?
Eh?
Mommy.
I should have.
Grater the coconut and...
No, but baby, when we done this, when done so,
yeah.
but that me go do.
For real?
Yeah, real talk.
Real talk.
Yeah, man, you know, them there, yeah, it's same, but in a really, yeah.
Put it on, yeah. Yeah, still a lumpy shit.
Yeah. Top chef in the building, top chef. You don't know the thing set, you know.
Hey, so the peas cook already?
Look at my beautiful wife.
Seasoned water.
She's so sexy. She's so beautiful. Yeah. And she can cook.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, people, he was like, that's one of the things in God, he said, thank God you can cook.
Yeah. I don't have to talk about the clean already. The cleanliness. Oh. No. We don't know already. Yeah, we don't know that already. So, trust me. It's my baby. You know what I mean? For life.
Anybody that know me knows.
That's my shorty.
Shorty.
I'll go energy. I come back. I'm not too trouble. I go.
I'm done. How would it, I need some garlic, man.
Focus. Yeah, I'm looking nice now.
What you?
Yeah, man. You know, say pot them a Ray, you know, a rubble and a bubble and a oxtail and right. The rice no reach on yet. Why water this with every little seasoning and thing, you know.
Okay.
Oxtail there, so a bubble up. You see me, I say. Nique doing her thing. Yeah, Nique doing her thing. Just throw them in the baby. Me wash them up right now too.
Okay.
She doing her thing. Yeah.
Season them lined up. feel weak yesterday.
Feel weak, baby? Sorry, baby.
I'm gonna put one of these in the freezer.
What? You wanted that cool?
I like it cool.
Okay. I never know. I'm sorry, baby.
That's okay. I'm only trying to help.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Kiss me again like that, baby.
You gotta kiss sexy, yeah.
Whoa! Hey, on the follow we know. Yeah, no follow me.
Make a baby before the Oxtail you cook.
That's how we stay, man. You don't know the thing setting now, we have to run like a joke and I mean, but that's how we live, you know, in a real life.
You know what people that glad? You know what people come to you in your ears, but yo, Rash, we need the next one, you know.
Yeah. That argument is done with now.
It better done with that, me I tell you. You and Uno. Not have to pick me.
Yeah, man, no more baby right now, man. A little career take time, I take off. You don't know the thing set. We can't do that right now. I hope I me put in, you know. Holy pirate me put in. You know what I mean? I know people out there work harder than me, but nobody can speed up my process, you know what I mean? So that me I do. Put in hope I work. A little career take time, huh? Yeah, gotta take time, I bless me. No baby right now. You see me? I say thing set, man.
Baby, where baby I go? No baby, me.
Yeah,
baby.
This is my baby.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm me at baby. Where baby I go?
That's my baby.
Yeah. I time for me start get back my baby treatment and
baby.
I see.
You want titty? Want titty?
You don't want me to do that, so you better stop.
Yo!
You don't want me to do that on camera. We gotta keep this thing PG-13, honey.
Right.
Yeah.
Probably.
What?
To you.
Do that on camera, what vlog done? Stop. Remember I'm gonna tell you.
Don't ramp with me now. Go ahead. Don't tell the people my business. Right.
Excuse I lift up shirt that expose nipple.
Excuse me, me check for my Oxtail.
What's your excuse? Boy.
Yeah.
How are you Oxtail spoon there? Like this?
Yeah, the one with the hole. Oh, this will run, I say, no. Move the baby. Hot. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. He said she turned after me check my Oxtail already, she come and dig up.
You not check anything, you have to stir the thing. Look, everything.
I know, baby.
I don't need any oil, that's why sometimes you see some Oxtail, it oily. Them look a fat piece that were left, when I get for cut off, with the crevices, them I gonna make oil.
Oil, yeah.
And then too much, when I'm done for ready for season the pot, make it cook down.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say look too much oil and I'm gonna take a spoon and take out the oil off of the top. I don't like it when it's swimming. I'll still be supposed to kind of have like a little thickness to it, not runny oily.
Yeah, I know. I can't, see people, well no, don't cut off not fat, but then not cut off the fat good.
Right.
Yeah.
I don't like them only for fat there. I have to make it do Oxtail oily.
Yeah, but if I grill it, you grill it Oxtail or nothing, it will burn off. I don't know what of them. Grill Oxtail. Yeah, that bad, baby. You know me, I test that one there.
No, for real. And I want to make Oxtail pasta.
Yeah.
I seen somebody make Oxtail tacos the other day. They just cook the Oxtail, break off the meat, put in the taco, and the rest of the ingredients and everything. Just different style. But also all of the Oxtail them though, I like Jamaican Oxtail. But I think I like American Oxtail. No, them American them Oxtail.
No. Yeah, I need some dumpling. No, I need some flour. Yeah. I need a dumpling. I need some flour. Make some spinach in I Oxtail, you see me?
Yeah.
That me do right, that's a no. Oxtail around there bubble already. You know what I mean? Because I just there, I say, babe, when I never see you put spinach in your oxtail, because when I do oxtail, you put that in there. So she said, okay. So you don't know the thing set. Right after me there.
Yeah.
I help out.
With the right as I took. Baby.
Alright, I help out Nique.
Always I help.
Always.
I always in the kitchen I help. That's why I have to love my baby.
Look at her head back.
Where should my head back for?
Oh.
Don't do that.
I want your head back now, baby. Long.
Yeah.
Yeah, peeps. We're back again, you know.
Look who in here with us.
Look who there.
Show me. My hair is not done.
Look who there.
I'm sure the one up for me. For me.
The master of brownie. With a nice hairstyle and all of that.
Kev.
And peep, go ahead, come in here, come on this for talk. Watch out. Go be find my fridge. Jamaican cheese.
That cheese is so expensive.
We Jamaican expensive. Yeah, man.
Baba, that left got to go, buddy.
Find it next week, so.
That girl said,
They want to make cornbread, what do you? Cornbread bud.
my first time ever.
So, a cornbread and cheese
And
for
you
me.
could have vlogged that day too. You always talk about how you don't never vlog when I could. You was at home. So that was your fault.
Yeah, but they want to come out already and I said for vlog and I said, but I'm not going to talk, I just cook.
Okay, why you can't stay out here with me when I cook? You always stay out here with my mom.
Alright, next time you're cooking, I'm out here,
I
alright?
don't know what to say. I don't be on the vlogs like that, so there's nothing for me to talk about.
So you talk now?
Because y'all are out here.
Okay.
And I'm talking to y'all.
So you not say you not talk. I mean, I know you work. I have to talk to your people. Because she said, when she not say she can't talk, baby. That she just say no. No. No, that she said, baby.
Right.
Right.
Why did you hug Don't try to whisper. Don't get started.
She mix up her thing already.
Don't try to whisper it. I'm about to put the Oreos now. Oh, I'm weak.
Everybody
I'm
weak.
go back and lay down after this.
Yeah, after you do all of that.
Watch my Netflix.
After you do all of this and
I'm about to take that thing out your room. What thing? The box thing. You don't even watch TV.
Yes, we do. And why are you gonna take it out my room for what?
Cause I thought you guys don't use it. You don't use the laptop.
It.
yeah.
And without it, we can't even watch YouTube or nothing on the TV because it don't come with it.
Without it, yeah.
You got that. What you trying to take it for?
She's silly.
Oh, she would.
Ooh.
Now let me test the meat.
Look at that.
You look like that means I can start seasoning the pot.
Yeah, you can start seasoning, you know.
I mean, don't put them?
Yeah. No.
Oh, you put it in it?
Do
Yeah.
them know.
Do them know?
About time. You
Yeah,
never did that, honey.
Come here, I got season.
Say no, it's my idea, David. I just there and say Ray and just say, wow, that.
Yeah, I
that,
like
that
with it. Really
Yeah.
true, but I never think about it.
Mm-hmm.
What my baby did. That's why I have my baby.
Yeah.
Right, baby?
Yeah.
Wait till just don't come back and see this food, boy.
Oh,
I'm not a hater.
Eh?
And I'm not hated.
Who talking about?
That's
Who
not
talking
your
to you?
word.
Who talking to you?
Hatish is not a word. So try.
Our word, right, baby? Yeah. Cause Rash Nique make them own
And
dictionary.
I swear, if you were saying about her, she would have been like, that's not even a word. But okay.
Eh, baby?
Leave that alone.
Remember that, Bobby. It's not mommy, it's Baldy.
It's confused my brains. That's what show you about it.
Yeah. They're running again, you know. I do some spinach and now in an Oxtail.
Like, dang, they dumpling a lot, but we really don't.
We don't.
And
Because these last couple meals we had dumpling, the soup, the stew peas, and fried dumpling. That's my favorite.
Yeah. Russia dashing.
Put a good amount, please.
I know. I know you like dumpling, David.
What would y'all say is your favorite side?
My right
To
side.
go with anything.
My right side.
No, Kim.
Oh, that's how
Side like mac and cheese, rice, mashed potatoes. Like, what is your favorite side? I say mac and cheese.
When I say mashed potato, You know me can't manage the cheat, right? Yeah, so me not go really one up friend with him.
I haven't made mashed potatoes in a long time. Well, regular mashed potatoes. We really should have vlogged when I cooked. That was a that was a 5-course meal.
Yeah, for real.
We can go up after we come back.
Look at all of this goodness.
Yeah, baby.
Watch out.
Yeah. See that? Yeah. Me teach her that.
Just the spinners in it, babes.
Cut it
out.
Mama,
We're not out of the whole pot, baby.
if we go after we come back from dance, you think you'll be here in time? Then we could just go there. We could check it.
Nika deal with her thing
Wait, what
wickedly.
days you took
No.
off?
This should be enough gravy.
Should have a little salad already.
No.
Yeah, man, the gravy
This
is
is
good.
good. The gravy level good, right?
That's salad, so.
Not good, man. But you know, say oxtail gravy kind of special than every other gravy.
So it's enough.
Yeah, gravy have enough.
Do we have avocado?
I think we have one.
One avocado leaf.
That's gonna be finished tonight because I'm eating my and Jessica's gonna eat that salad, especially with the tomatoes on it.
I'll check on the rice. Oops. Your water.
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you it kept dripping on my arm when I get in the oven. I wanna see.
Come, baby. Come start out your rice. Make them see.
Be careful.
Wow.
Ooh wee.
You hear that? You hear the ingredients, see? Watch out.
Says the one with the camera hovering the pot.
Watch out. Yeah, baby. Put a little bit in my hand, baby. Let me
No.
sample it for you, baby. Hmm? Chadwa?
You see, there's something when we put in the water. Or so we make the rice on these brown.
Yeah, give me a little bit, baby.
What you put in the water?
Some of the bottom will come up with it, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you dig it too far though?
Far.
I don't want that.
You wanna be greedy, you better eat it. Good?
Hello, somebody bun come up. But nice. Alright, it's just I'm greedy. You're a fight for tears. It's a fight for tears. Yeah, right there. Show the camera there how you behave there. Yeah, go, you know, and show the thing in your mouth and glap it. I come true like a decent, you know.
Yeah, when we dig up the rice, I'm gonna go too deep.
Yeah, that's how you go. When you share food, dinner something you know if you do then. And you know, so the bun, I like the bun, right?
Just so like it too.
Yeah, my thing that. So say, baby, dinner ready? Wow. Oh, the plant them to backside. You know you have to go move the pot.
Yeah, alright, we're gonna move.
Then we further make sure put the pot there. And then, and you don't know, yeah, plant specialist, you know, yeah.
And the plant specialist, I will turn on the stove. Please, you give me anxiety when you cook them fire high.
Cause them not know if you do that, no? You know that, right? Yeah, they don't know how to do it, so I'm doing it for them. Yeah, I mean, so no worries, soon, stay tuned. Yeah, feed, yeah, for the planting. Yeah, so how you gonna fry this now?
What do you mean?
Let me ask you.
Are you afraid I'm not me?
No.
What?
Alright, start one. Fry one with me and start fry it with me thing there. I'm gonna turn on the fire for you.
Medium heat.
Medium heat, no. But we're not talking about we're also going to pot.
Hey, what do you mean?
Take out 2 pieces, put in a pot. That may I say.
Excuse.
Let's take out 2 pieces, put in a pot.
What do you have on camera for me for?
Hmm? Because we vlogging, baby.
We?
Yeah, me vlogging.
French, I thought. We, pee. Y'all back?
Yeah, yeah.
No, we're gone.
Girl.
First thing you do, you come out from outside in your house. Wash your hands. Love wash my hands. Yeah, because there's no right planting. We went to Fiesta and Food Town.
They're not right plant. They're not right planting. So your mother said she buy that. So I tell her not to buy it, but she said Ray. So that's why I tell her to start fried and we just finish the rest.
Maybe you know what? It's fine. Because you're just making a big deal because you want proof say you're right and you want to shame me.
No, I don't want to shame me, baby. We just want to tell her. I tell her, say, that one, it's frozen. So can't fry it now. Because them have to thaw out.
No,
and she said
you got the damn stove on high.
No, put him back, put it in. It just go red, man. See that good.
What the hell I got?
My phone, man. You see that now? You see never the pan eye? So, what me I try say? Or what me I try prove? When I get the right planting. Anyway, she buy planting. See man? And tough, yeah, drop, boom, boom, boom. You there? Yeah. Cheese like broccoli. So,
It's so dramatic, bro.
we're going out. We got two places, right? We then kind of the right planting. So, the frozen one, I tell her, babe, them they have to thaw out. She said, no, the funny packet no say that. It has a ray. So I said, okay then, buy it. So if she fry
you mix up, you have to vlog all that too.
If she fry it, I'll fry everything else. Just fry one. And you can't put water on if you thaw them out. You have to make, like from mine, you take them out and thaw out.
No, you cannot. Have to do that.
Alright.
That's why I roll me down
with the camera.
With the video thing. Oh, but do that already. Can't work. Sometimes you gotta try.
If it come out good, I could know something wrong. Flat not work. Hey, Nique, right, baby. Yeah. You know me stay already.
You don't know. You're old school.
Yeah, me in front. Yeah. It's the front at you. And me there say no, so you go. I go come and I say, yo, it really work. You know what I mean? Yeah. Never know say it could have work. But I don't like it. The frozen thing, I don't like it. I don't like it.
Yeah, but you gonna tear it.
See first one, you see boy. Me have to eat it. No good. Baby want to taste the frozen one.
You ready?
You ready? Yeah, put one there so I just mash up that and see.
Look at one.
Yeah.
Baby there.
You cut the eye outside, you know, as much as possible. So baby.
Papa?
Like how you right.
Yeah. He finna say finish doing.
I'm me wrong. You wanna hug?
Yeah.
So hug then. Yeah. Yeah, baby, right. That's what then I background, baby. Watch out. You don't know the thing set now. So me I gotta finish them, fry them platinum for her now. And thing, and I don't know now, so I like a play tight. I like a play tight. I like a, like so. I like a so. Yeah. So go and big up on yourself, you know. Remember, like, share and subscribe, you know. Tell the people them. Tell everybody.
Tell a friend.
Tell everybody we wanna know.
And your rest tell your pet.
Yeah. tell everybody. Boy.
You'll be like, tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your pet.
And that
Like,
is that?
what? First time he said it, I'm like, what? What you talking about, bro? At the basketball player.
Oh, yeah.
What? What you talking about, bro?
See that? Real professional. Yeah. Baby, I thought it was real. Baby, I thought it was real. Come on. Yeah, watch it.
Hold on, I just want to taste it.
Alright, excuse. I can give them seafood. Damn.
We got to push it on for the food. Where's the
Yeah, I eat that. You see me? Anyway, see my one not pretty so.
Yes.
I got some good news for you. I only have basketball practice on Monday and Wednesday.
Yeah, my one not so pretty.
Okay.
But just slap in that and just go deal with that. You see me I say? So that's why things set. We go fresh. Yeah, and thing and come back, you know, for food and I don't know the thing set, you know. Remember on like, you know, subscribe and share, you know. We have to say that, Nique.
like, subscribe, share, comment down below.
Yeah, you hear
And
that?
thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for commenting. Thank you guys for giving the video a thumbs up. We appreciate everything. Thank you guys for sharing the video. Keep sharing. Tell a friend about Rash Nique.
Yeah.
They don't know what it is.
Yeah. Well, don't know the thing. Oops. Yeah. Yeah, man. So Nique say it, you know? So
check out Rashkamar Entertainment and Rashkamar Entertainment Vlogs and subscribe, like, share, comment, all of that. We love you guys.
yeah, you hear that? So you don't know, you know? It's another one.